káàbọ̀ sórí ètò ojúkojú pẹ̀lú Olúọmọ pírẹsẹ́ńtà. Ètò yìí la ó fi bójú wo àṣàyàn ọ̀rọ̀ pàtàkì nípa epo pupa táwọn eléyìnbó ń pè ní palm oil. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá kan tó sọ wípé epo ni ojú ọbẹ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ lójúmọ́ kan kì í mọ́ kẹ́nu ó máa ń jẹpo. Kò sí ilé tàbí àwùjọ tí ẹ lè dé tẹ́ ò ní bá epo pupa yálà fún jíjẹ tàbí láti fi ṣe nǹkan míì. Ẹ gbọ́ báwo ni wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe epo pupa jáde kó tó lè wá di jíjẹ tàbí lílò. Àtọjọ́ táláyé ti dáyé làwọn ìyá àti bàbá wa ti ń fi iṣẹ́ epo pupa ń ṣe iṣẹ́ ṣe. Nígbà tí wọ́n bá kọ ẹyìn tán kalẹ̀ látòrí igi ọ̀pẹ palm tree, ibi tí wọ́n ń kó lọ láti lọ yọ ọmọ ẹyìn kúrò lára pódi rẹ̀ ni wọ́n ń pè ní ẹkù. Ẹkù yìí làwọn ìyá wa ti ń fọ epo pupa síta kí ó tó wá di jíjẹ àti lílò. Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀nà tí wọ́n ń gbà láti fọ epo tí wọ́n jáde nínú ẹkù, ìyẹn local processing, ló ní agbára pẹ̀lú wàhálà púpọ̀ nínú kó tó di wípé wọ́n rí epo náà ṣe jáde kúrò nínú ẹkù. Ẹ gbọ́ ná, kí làwọn ìwúlò epo pupa? Gẹ́gẹ́ bí àkọsílẹ̀ ìwádìí wa, epo pupa ní ìwúlò láwọn ọ̀nà tó pọ̀. Àkọ́kọ́ nínú rẹ̀ ni wípé epo pupa ń ṣe àwọ̀ ara wa lóore. It help our skin. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni yàtọ̀ sí ká tún fi ṣe ohun jíjẹ, epo pupa tún lè wúlò fún ọṣẹ ṣíṣe, soap making. Báwo ni wọ́n wá ṣe ń ṣe epo pupa jáde lọ́nà ìgbàlódé, èyí tí ó máa ń mú yàtọ̀ sí bí àwọn ìyá wa ṣe máa ń ṣe tiwọn lẹ́kù láti mú kí àlàyé wa ó kún kí ó sì lè nítumọ̀ lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ dé iléeṣẹ́ oko ọ̀pẹ FARM E99 ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun láti rí bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe epo tiwọn jáde nílànà ìgbàlódé ayé òde òní.
You know, I've once been in your shoes, and I know how stressful traveling can be, from the endless flight searches to fluctuating ticket prices and unreliable agents.
Whether you're booking a trip home to Nigeria, a vacation across Europe,
or a business flight ticket from Canada to UK, it shouldn't be this complicated. That's why at TBI Travels, we'll make flight booking simple, seamless, and secure for travelers in Nigeria and across the globe. Are you wondering why TBI Travels? We offer global flight booking from wherever you are to wherever you're going. Transparent pricing, no hidden fees or fake deals. Real-time support from trusted travel experts, easy payment options, and instant confirmations. So whether you're flying from Lagos to London, Toronto to Dubai, Accra to Ghana, do it with confidence, do it with TBI Travels.
Your dreams of living, working, or studying abroad is closer than you think. At TBI Travels, we don't just process visa, we open doors to new beginnings. So whether you're chasing a better career opportunity, education, or a fresh start in a new country, TBI Travel is your trusted travel partner to guide you in every step of the way. From work permit to study visa, we help you find the right destination that fits your goal. Fast, reliable, and stress-free. With hundreds of successful applications and satisfied clients worldwide, our track record speaks for itself. Don't be left out. Click the link below to get started.
A sì dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe sórí YouTube channel yìí, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń comment, tẹ́ máa ń like, tẹ́ ẹ máa ń share àwọn videos wa. Ẹ dákun ẹ bá wa gbọ́wọ́lé subscription button, kẹ́ ẹ bá wa subscribe, kẹ́ ẹ lè máa láǹfààní láti wo àwọn oríṣiríṣi fídíò tá ń jù sórí àtẹ ìkànnì yìí. Báyé ṣe ń yí lọ tó sì ń súnmọ́ wájú, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwa ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè náà là ń bá dọ́gba. Lára àwọn tí wọ́n bá ìlànà tí a fi ń ṣepo lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà nílànà ti ìgbàlódé tí wọ́n bá dọ́gba ní iléeṣẹ́ E99 ní oko E99 tí a túmọ̀ sí FARM E99 ní agbègbè kan ní ìlú Ẹdẹ. Oko yìí ni wọ́n ṣe àgbékalẹ̀ rẹ̀ nílànà ti ìgbàlódé. Ọ̀pẹ wọn ó jẹ́ ọ̀pẹ ìgbàlódé. Ìlànà tó fi gbin ọ̀pẹ wọn ìlànà ìgbàlódé ni. Èso tí ń mú wá èso ọ̀pẹ ìgbàlódé ni. Bí wọ́n sì ṣe máa ń ṣe láti sọ di epo tí máa ń di owó fún wọn nílànà ti ìgbàlódé náà ni. Báwo ni oko E99 ìyẹn FARM E99 nílùú Ẹdẹ, báwo ni ìlànà tí wọ́n ń gbà láti process epo tiwọn tí a mọ̀ sí palm oil, èyí tó fi yàtọ̀ sí bí àwọn ìyá wa ṣe máa ń ṣe lábúlé tá a mọ̀ sí local production. A fẹ́ wá ṣe ìwádìí ní kíkún nípa àgbékalẹ̀ àti ìlànà tí FARM E99 tí wọ́n ń gbà láti ṣepo nílànà ti ìgbàlódé. Olúọmọ presenter ló kọ mi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wò ètò yìí, ẹ mọ subscribe sórí YouTube channel yẹn tẹ́ ẹ bá ti subscribe rárá. Ẹ subscribe sórí YouTube channel yẹn, kò ná yín lówó, ẹ sì mọ tẹ notification button yín lẹ̀, èyí tí ó fún yín láǹfààní láti máa rí àwọn videos wa wò bí ìran. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mú yín rìn wọnú ọgbà, ká wo bí ó ṣe fẹ̀ lójú tó, ká sì lọ bá àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ wọn ní gbólóhùn. A ti wà nínú oko E99 tá a mọ̀ sí E99 farm, níbi tí wọ́n ti ní oko ọ̀pẹ tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe epo lọ́nà tìgbàlódé tó yàtọ̀ sí ti àwọn tiwantiwa alálùmọ́lẹ̀, àmọ́ tí wọ́n redefine, tí wọ́n repackage and rebrand ní ìlànà tí wọ́n fi ń ṣe epo ní ti ọ̀nà ìgbàlódé. Inú oko E99 la wà báyìí ní ìlú Ẹdẹ. Inú oko wọn náà láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ kó tó di wípé a lọ síbi ojú ibi tí wọ́n ti máa ń fọ epo gangan tá a mọ̀ sí factory. Ẹni tó mojú okùn ló mojú àti sùn ẹ̀. Èèyàn tí ó jẹ́ alákòóso àtàlábòjútó oko E99 ó wà ní ẹgbẹ́ mi, bó kàn tẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé èdè fínìfíntín la fi bára wa sọ̀rọ̀. Please tell us your name.
My name is Nweke Michael Sunday. I'm the farm supervisor.
The farm supervisor.
Yes.
Alábòjútó oko E99 ni. What do you do in this farm?
We make oil, palm oil.
How do you make palm oil?
We do in a different way that others are not doing. Others are doing with hand. They can jump inside, those women sitting inside, but we don't do so. We do our own. Once we cook, we grind, mill it, and you will see everything happening.
So that means you rebrand, you do it in a modern way.
Yes, we don't use.
How do you get things that you use to produce palm oil? From where do you cultivate?
We cultivate inside our farm.
This is your farm?
Yes, this is the outside of the farm. But this place we have like 10,000 trees.
10,000 trees?
More than
10,000 trees inside this farm?
Yes. This is just zone 1. Like if you stand at that gate, you see where they write zone 1. This is the zone 1.
This is zone 1?
Yes.
And the zone is like how many?
It's like we have 6 zones.
6 zones?
Yes.
Which contains like 10,000 trees?
Yes. Total everything.
Okay. Which type of palm tree is this?
This is our Greek palm tree.
This is a Greek palm tree?
Yes.
Like it takes like how many years before you start cultivating?
Maybe 2 years or 3 years.
2-3 years.
Yes.
Then you start cultivating. You have been cultivating this like how many years now?
This place was like 15 years now.
15 years now?
Yes.
Wow. So how often do you cultivate?
This is not the period of the palm tree to be producing
much palm
so
oil.
we normally do it ending of the month. But this period we have produced like 3 times in this month.
This month only?
Yes. Okay.
So
2 times.
When is the best time you get surplus?
During the dry season like that. From the month of January upward. Yeah.
Wow. Who are the people cultivating for you?
We have people that normally harvest for us because there are some that those engines that you can use to harvest. This one is much taller.
Okay.
So and this one is short. So that engine can harvest this, but it can't harvest this one.
The one that is
So
taller.
we have people that can climb, use axe to cut it down.
So after cutting it down, what is the next step?
To pack it inside the tractor and take it to the factory.
So you have a tractor that pack it,
Yes.
not that you
Carry.
people carry it from the
No, we have tractor.
that normally pack it from the farm
from the farm.
down to
Factory.
the factory.
Yes.
During this time that is not really sufficient,
Yeah.
you can have like how many kegs?
During this time that is not the time of the
production.
Yes. So like in one production, like in one harvest, if we leave it to end of the month before we harvest, in one harvest we'll be getting like 500 bunch. In that 500 bunch, if we produce the first production, will give us like 8 to 10 cakes, or 8. Let me just say 8.5 or 9.
But during the dry season that you normally have some
Yes.
dishes, how many cakes can you have?
We'll get more than 100 upward, like because the time that is the time that time is the major time to have oil, so we have plenty oil.
Wow. Can we have a stroll to your factory to see how things is going on there?
Yeah, we can go.
Like if someone wants to have this type of farm, what do you think it will cost the person?
For Tinubu regime, it will cost you a lot, sir. Well, me, I don't know. That question is for my boss.
Like if you want to have like just 1,000 tree, that will cost us like how much?
You know, you go to market, buy the trees. You buy the trees and you call people that will come and plant it for you.
Okay.
There are people that can plant it. So, but
One tree costs like how much?
I can't predict because I don't know how much they are selling one tree at the market.
Okay. All right. What makes your production different for those ones they normally do locally?
Because that one, our own is we do exactly the way Yali bread do. Say that they are bread.
Okay.
If you check the nylon, they write bread where hand no touch.
Okay.
So now oil where hand no touch will they do.
So the oil we and no touch.
Yes.
Apart from when you cultivated, but when you get to the factory and no the touch am.
Yes, when they touch, they do roughly like that. No.
Like putting body
yeah, no.
inside the
oil.
It's
not done that.
Like we normally do locally.
Yes.
All right. This is one of your tractor.
Yes.
And one of the equipment you use
to pack it.
To pack it from the
farm to the farm.
From the farm
to the factory.
So after the tractor gets here, what next?
We offload and put it for where we can cover it.
Okay, let's see.
Is either if it is not much, you can put it here, but if it is much, you can put it here. We cover it like 5 days.
Okay.
So that it will be softened for the debuncher to debunch it.
Okay, that's the buncher.
Yes.
You now take it to the buncher?
Yes.
Then
the debuncher will debunch it. Once when it will be debunching, the dirt inside will be coming out here. While the fruit will be coming out there.
Okay.
At the front.
Okay. So that buncher will remove the fruit.
Yes.
Then the particles
will come this
we separate.
Yes.
Okay. After the buncher, what next?
Pack it to the boiler.
Okay. Where is the boiler?
This is the boiler.
This is the boiler.
This is the boiler.
Okay. So what's the work of the boiler?
To cook the
palm kernel.
Yes.
Okay. So like it takes like how many minutes or hour?
Let me just say 1 hour 30 minutes.
1 hour 30 minutes.
Yes.
And it is on. Also, how do you know it is done?
We can check it by when we are cooking.
Okay.
If we fill the pot.
Okay.
Once the fruit is done.
Okay.
It will slack.
Okay.
Yes.
So after cooking and it get done, what next?
Okay, we pack it from here to the miller.
Okay.
This is the miller here.
Okay, this is the miller.
Yes, we have to. So
okay, what is the work of this miller?
Just to grind the
palm kernel.
Yes.
So that means is it using electronic?
No, it's using
engine.
Diesel engine.
So you on it.
Yes.
Then it started rolling.
Yes.
It started rolling. So that is to make it soft.
Yes.
Okay. So after you are done with the miller, what next?
We bring it to the presser. Here we can press it, press
Okay.
the oil out.
Okay.
So that is why I said we don't touch
You
or
don't
we don't
touch.
add water.
Okay.
So once we press it, it will come out.
So the
By itself.
the
The oil will
the
come
oil
out.
will come out
Yes.
by itself.
Yes.
So it started coming. So how do you pack it?
We use rubber to pack.
To pack it.
Yes.
So after packing the oil, what next?
We take it to the boiler, the
But it-
oil boiler.
Okay.
Yes, we have
The oil boiler.
So the chaff, we drop the chaff. Use the chaff. You can separate the kernel
Okay.
with the chaff and
Okay.
use the chaff for oguso or use it to make
So
fire.
it will separate the chaff and the fruit.
Yes, the kernel.
The
We
kernel.
separate the kernel from the chaff
Okay.
using a fiber separator, but it's at the weather side.
So then
This is the oil boiler.
this is the next step now.
Yes,
The oil boiler.
Yes,
Okay.
this one.
We have two boilers now.
Yes.
That is for the palm kernel.
Yes,
So this is the boiler
Oil.
for the
Oil.
oil. Okay. So after you boil, like how many minutes or hour?
no, not up to hour. Maybe like 30 minutes.
So it's ready.
It's
The oil is
purified,
ready. Then
yes.
how do you now bring it out?
We remove it by opening this tap. Then
Okay.
take pack it inside the store.
So that is
Yes,
everything
and-
is done.
And we have the downside of the oil. That
Okay.
maybe little water will be inside.
Inside.
Yes, so nobody add oil, but inside the kernel there must be little water.
Okay.
So we'll now cook it in this one.
place.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So how do you sell your oil from the factory?
Yes, we have customers that we sell for.
That they buy in bulk,
Yes.
in wholesales or retail?
No, we sell wholesale. We don't sell retail. Yeah.
Do you sell for anybody that just come, or you have your
No.
regular?
We have a regular customer.
Who are your who we can call your distributor?
Yes. That
Okay.
normally come and buy from us and take out.
So do you sell more than what people sell in the market? Because
No. We sell at the market price.
at the market price.
Yes.
How do you get the market price?
The person that come to buy also she's in the market, so
Okay.
she normally tell us this is the market price and we confirm before
Before
we
you.
sell. So we don't add money, we don't reduce money.
Okay. So what are your challenges in this factory presently or in this farm?
Our challenges is that the farm needs big development,
Okay.
like for people to be for this place to be a view place
Okay.
where people will be coming to sit, watch around, see things that I've not seen it before. Like I went to Kabiyesi of Awo, so he was telling me that his son was eating groundnut, and he asked his son, where do you think that they harvest that thing that you are eating?
That's-
He said he think maybe they plug it from up groundnut. You see, so there are people that don't know where the oil is coming out from and other things. So you can come here and see everything. But for now, we need a very big development here.
And how do you think a government can help?
If
To
the
achieve
government can do that, that is a lot for us.
Where is this factory located?
It's located at Aboto Awo.
Aboto,
Yes, that is there, but the
very close to Awo.
Awo
Okay.
between.
In between
Yes,
Aboto and Awo.
yes.
Okay.
Just ask for Premier College FARM E99. Once you say FARM E99, the person don't understand because some of the Okadas understand, but once you say Premier College, that company there, FARM E99, they will take you.
Thank you very much. Once again, what's the name of the factory?
FARM E99,
Farm E99,
Yes.
where you produce
FARM Oil.
palm oil
Yes.
in a modern way.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. What's your name once again?
My name is Mweke Michael Sunday.
God bless you. It's nice meeting you again.
Thank you, sir.
fẹ́yìn olólùfẹ́ wa tí ẹ láǹfààní láti wo ètò ojúkojú pẹ̀lú olómọ pírẹsẹ̀ntà ní à ń ṣàgbéyẹ̀wò ọ̀nà tí iléeṣẹ́ kan ń gbà láti ṣe epo lọ́nà ìgbàlódé ní ìlú kan tó wà ní agbègbè Ẹdẹ ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun. FARM E99 ni wọ́n pe orúkọ iléeṣẹ́ yìí. Níbẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti ń ṣe àwọn epo nílànà ti ìgbàlódé tó sì jẹ́ pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ mi ò mọ̀ pé àwọn kan tí ó ní kìmí báyìí tó wúlò báyìí tó sì lè ṣe ará ìlú láǹfààní báyìí wípé ó ń jáde láti bẹ̀. Àrìn títí náà la fi kàn torí pé ilẹ̀kùn ló mọ rínú tó mọ ríta. Ohun tí alábòjútó oko iléeṣẹ́ tí ń ṣe epo lọ́nà ìgbàlódé tí ó ń bá wa sọ ni wípé nínú oko tẹ́ ń wò yìí o, igi ọ̀pẹ tó wà ńbẹ̀ ó lé ní ẹgbẹ̀rún lọ́nà mẹ́wàá ní ọ̀pẹ tó wà nínú oko tí wọ́n sì pín sí ìsọ̀rí mẹ́fà tí a mọ̀ sí season. Láti inú oko ìpele méjì ni wọ́n fi ń ká ẹyìn tiwọn. Àwọn ọ̀pẹ kan tó wà tó jẹ́ pé ó ga, àwọn kan wà tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n kúrú. Ọ̀pẹ àgíríkì ló wà nínú oko, láàárín ọdún 2 sí ọdún 3 ló fi máa ń so. Eléyìí tó kúrú wọ́n ní ẹ̀rọ tí wọ́n fi máa ń ká ẹyìn lórí rẹ̀. Eléyìí tó ga tí ẹ̀rọ yóò lè dé òkè rẹ̀ ni wọ́n ní àwọn ènìyàn tí wọ́n lè gún lọ láti lọ bá wọn fi àdá gé ẹyìn náà sílẹ̀. Tí wọ́n bá ti wá gé ẹyìn náà sílẹ̀ tán, lákòókò tó jẹ́ pé epo ò wọ́pọ̀ lákòókò òjò, wọ́n lè rí bíi 50 pòdì ẹyìn tó sì jẹ́ pé wọ́n fi ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ epo bíi kẹ́gì 10 sókè. Ṣùgbọ́n láti inú oko yìí, ọkọ̀ akẹ́rù ní kọ̀ọ̀kan bá wọn fi kó láti inú oko wá sí inú gbàgede iléeṣẹ́ wọn níbí, tí ń ṣe pé wọ́n á ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fi orí rù. Lẹ́yìn tí ọkọ̀ akẹ́rù bá ti kó láti inú oko wá sínú iléeṣẹ́ wọn bí, wọ́n já á lẹ̀ níbi tí wọ́n máa ń já sí. Láti bẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti kó sínú ẹ̀rọ tí yóò yọ ẹyìn kúrò nínú pòdì rẹ̀, yóò yọ ẹyìn sọ́tọ̀, yóò tún yọ pòdì rẹ̀ sọ́tọ̀. Láti inú ibẹ̀ tán bá ti yọ ẹyìn tán ni wọ́n kó sínú agbada tí wọ́n ó ti sè é. Nínú agbada tí wọ́n ó ti sè é yìí ni ó ti sè bí 30 ìṣẹ́jú àbólé ìṣẹ́jú díẹ̀. Tó bá ti jiná ni wọ́n ó ti kó láti inú rẹ̀ sínú ẹ̀rọ tí ó tẹ̀. Èyí tó yàtọ̀ sí bí àwọn ìyá wa ṣe máa ń fi ẹsẹ̀ ń tẹ̀ ní ẹkù, ẹ̀rọ ni ó tẹ̀. Tẹ́rọ bá ti tẹ̀ tán, ẹ̀rọ náà ni wọ́n tún wá fi yọ epo rẹ̀ sọ́tọ̀, tí wọ́n tún wá fi yọ èkùrọ́ àti ihá tí wọ́n tún fi yọ sọ́tọ̀ sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí epo bá ti jáde tán ni wọ́n tún wá gbọ́n láti inú kólòbó ibi tí wọ́n yọ sí, wọ́n wá gbé wá sí ibi tí ẹ̀rọ míì yóò tún ti sè é, yóò tún sè é bí 30 ìṣẹ́jú míì. Nígbà tó bá wá sè tán tó jiná ni wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá sọ di epo tí wọ́n rọ̀ sínú kẹ́ẹ̀gì. Wọ́n yìí sọ wípé àwọn ní oníbàárà ní sẹpẹ́ tán wá máa ń kó tán máa ń rà. Wọ́n yìí sì ń ta ju oye tí wọ́n máa ń tà ní ọjà lọ. Àmọ́ epo wọn ìmọ̀ ń mọ́ torí wípé kì í ṣe epo tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa ń kó ara bọ̀ kọ́wọ́ bọ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n ó ti ní ètò létò tó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀rọ ìgbàlódé ló máa ń bá wọn ṣe láti process rẹ̀. Iléeṣẹ́ epo E99 nílùú Ẹdẹ la wà yìí. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti bá wa wo ètò yìí fún tèmi. Olúgbadé Olúọmọ Remi Rere lórúkọ tèmi ń jẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wo wa live lórí ìkànnì Olúọmọ Live TV, ẹ máa subscribe sórí YouTube channel, ẹ dẹ̀ máa tan notification button yín lẹ̀ láti máa rí wa wò bí ìran láwọn videos tí à ń gbé jáde. Ojú yín ò ní kọ àtúrí o. Ìpàdé wa kó ṣe wọ̀ bí ọjọ́rọ̀.
Olúọmọ Broadcasting Media Academy, ìròyìn ayọ̀ tí ẹ ti ń retí dé.
ìròyìn ayọ̀ ló ní ká ní àgbọ̀.
Fún
gbogbo ẹni tó ti ń gbèrò láti kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ní ìmọ̀ kíkún kí ẹ sì di ògbóǹtarìgì nínú iṣẹ́ ìgbóhùnsáfẹ́fẹ́ àsìkò rèé fún ọ láti lè mú àlá rẹ ṣẹ.
torí ìdí gan rèé tí a fi gbé ilé ẹ̀kọ́ Olúọmọ Broadcasting Media Academy kalẹ̀.
ibẹ̀ láti ń kọ́ni lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ìmọ̀ ìjìnlẹ̀ lórí iṣẹ́ ìgbóhùnsáfẹ́fẹ́ àti ìròyìn pẹ̀lú ìlànà ètò ẹ̀kọ́ tó bá tayé òde òní mu láàrin oṣù 12 sáà ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ dípílọ́mà.
bó jẹ́ ètò ẹ̀kọ́ olójoojúmọ́ tàbí olópin ọ̀sẹ̀ ilé ìwé yìí forúkọsílẹ̀ lábẹ́ àṣẹ ìjọba.
àwọn olùkọ́ tí wọ́n dángájá pẹ̀lú ìrírí ọ̀pọ̀ ọdún ni wọ́n ń kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wa. yàrá ìgbóhùnsáfẹ́fẹ́ àtàwọn èlò ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi ń bẹ fáwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ láti ṣe ìdánrawò àti ìgbáradì àwọn ohun tí wọ́n ti kọ́ ní kíláàsì kí wọ́n lè pegedé tayọ láwùjọ.
ilé gbígbé hostel accommodation tó fọkànbalẹ̀ wà fáwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí wọ́n bá wá látọ̀nà jíjìn. ọ̀pọ̀ akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ jáde wa ni wọ́n ti di ìlú mọ̀ká nídìí iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n yàn láàyò.
ètò ìgbaniwọlé ti ń lọ lọ́wọ́ nílé ẹ̀kọ́ Olúọmọ Broadcasting Media Academy tó fìkàlẹ̀ sí No. 3 Ayọ̀ọ́lá Street lágbègbè UBA Bank Olóńkòrò Òṣogbo nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun.
fún àlàyé sí ẹ pè 07031051831 lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí 07031051831.
Olúọmọ Broadcasting Media Academy, connecting you to the world.
a sì dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe sórí YouTube channel yìí, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń comment, tẹ́ máa ń like, tẹ́ máa ń share àwọn videos wa. ẹ dákun ẹ bá wa gbọ́wọ́lé subscription button kẹ́ ẹ bá wa subscribe kẹ́ ẹ lè máa ń láǹfààní láti wo àwọn oríṣiríṣi fídíò tá à ń jù sórí àtẹ ìkànnì yìí.
Olúọmọ la fẹ́ máa gbọ́.
Olúọmọ Federation.